Okay, just got everything off here. Some moment of truth. Lift this up here. Let's see what she looks like inside. Come on, you. Pretty gross. We're gonna have to clean that out. Cummins. This is the notorious grid heater that everyone talks about. This is the bolt right here that breaks off. It melts out and breaks off. You can see that EGR is just bringing all this soot back up into the engine for the intake. You also have all these components that can break off this other bolt. But this is the bolt right here that does in the Cummins. I'm gonna get this swapped out for the Monster Ram intake right there. Get that all set up. See how she does. Set that there.